Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you continue to watch this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look, and I did this makeup before work. Actually, I'm on my way to work right now. So yeah, I just decided to do a little Valentine's Day look because Valentine's Day is coming up within like a week or two. So I just wanted to at least try to film one look, and I tried to do these hearts. I don't know if they look like hearts, but I still like the makeup look. Hopefully y'all like it. Let me know in the comments down below how I did. I recreated this from a little pictorial thing I seen on Instagram. So yeah, but let me close my eyes and show y'all. Hopefully y'all can see because I know I have these lashes on and they long. So, but yeah, whatever. Let's just get into it. It's like I can't do no wrong. Let me catch a vibe that's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy. I'm starting off with one eye already finished just to make the process go faster, and I'm going to be using my Morphe and James Charles palette, and I'm going to use these two purple kind of shades at the bottom. So I go in with the first one and then the darker one I use second. So I'm just packing that on my crease, and then after I pack it on my crease, of course I'm going to blend it out. Y'all know I always say the key to makeup is making sure your makeup is blended and seamless. So yeah, extra blend these eyeshadows. I'm packing the darker purple shade on top now to give it more depth, and I'm gonna also blend that out as well the same way. Y'all know I always use the same palette, so I'm going in with the Kylie Jenner palette. This was one of the little Valentine's Day collections, and this is in the shade Candy Heart. And I just wanted it to be a little more pink instead of all purple, so I just put that on top, a little bit above it kinda, but I also blended that out as well. I'm going to go back in with the darker purple shade just to get my colors right, because I kind of want that to stand out too. So you really just got to go back and forth and kind of just play with your eyeshadows to make sure it's right and exactly how you want it. But the key to everything is blending it out, because if your eyeshadows are not seamless, it's going to look dumb. So here I'm taking a Q-tip and I'm just removing some of the makeup, trying to shape it in the form of like a half heart, but it wasn't really working. So I just went on ahead and did it with my concealer because it was way easier. And the concealer I used is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I'm gonna leave in the description below which shade it was in. Trying to shape this heart was low-key hard, and it just wasn't coming out right at first, so I was getting a little frustrated, but I kept it going, and it ended up, I don't know, I just ended up fixing it some way somehow. Back into the Kylie Jenner palette, I'm going to use the shimmer shade in the shade Romance. And this is kind of like a shimmer lilac or purple. I'm not sure what color you want to call it. But I put that on top of the heart, and this is what I use to make my heart pop. I'm wiping away any excess shadow that might have dropped, and then I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray, and I'm going to use that as a primer and a setting spray basically. So I put that on before I put on my foundation. The foundation I'm using is the Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 111. So I put that all over my face as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with my beauty blender, of course. And ladies, please, please, please don't forget the neck when you're doing this. I hate when I see people forget their neck. You have to make sure your face match your neck. It don't always match perfectly, so you have to get your neck. And then the concealer I'm using is the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Okay, this is in the shade Golden, and this is the same concealer that I used to cut out my heart. But I'm going to use this under my eyes, my nose, and my chin. And then I'm going to also go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, because this is a little lighter. And the other one is just more thick, so it like covers better. So I use both of them. But yeah, I'm going to put this on top, and then I'm going to also blend this out with my beauty blender. I'm going to be baking my face with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I do bake my face for a little bit. I know a lot of people do not bake their face anymore, but I feel like, I don't know, this is what brings my makeup together, so I still bake. So yeah, I just bake for a little bit though, not too long. But once I put this on and bake for a little while, I wipe it away with just a brush like this, like any big brush. And I wipe it on my neck too. I don't know, I just try to make sure my makeup doesn't crease anywhere or doesn't start to melt off. And I feel like the powder does it for me. So that's why I put it everywhere. To contour, I'm going to be using the True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Light to Medium, and I'm going to use the dark shade in there, obviously, for the contour. And I'm just putting that on my cheeks, and I put it on my forehead a little bit as well, and also my nose, I contour that. I think I forgot to contour my nose at first, per usual, and I had went back and did it, but y'all get the point. For blush, I'm going to be using the Kylie Jenner blush in the shade Crush. And I always use blush, to be honest, because I feel like it just, I don't know, brings my face, I don't know, makes me look a little more alive, I guess. It makes it a little rosier. But on top of the blush, I'm going to be going in with the highlight. And y'all seen I'm going to be using the Tourmaline, however you pronounce that shade. And this is from the Anastasia Glow Kit. And I did my cheeks, my Cupid's bow, also the bridge of my nose, and my brow bone, and my inner corners. This is when I finally realized I forgot to contour my nose, so I went back in and did that. It was a little harsh at first, but I blended it out, so it all worked out. For lips, I line my lips with a brown lip liner, and I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake in the middle of my lips. And I'm just going to pop them together to blend it. And yeah, I'm going to spray my face after this. And also put on my lashes and my mascara. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel, please, and always come back for more videos every week. I know I'm late on uploading these, but I am back, y'all. So y'all, I'm on my way to work, but I wanted y'all to see my makeup more. I'm filming on my phone, so hopefully y'all can hear me. I forgot to say in the video, I did my lashes off camera. I did my under eye, like my lower lash line off camera. I just went back in with the purple that I use. I'm gonna let y'all know which one during the video. And then I also put on mascara, and I sprayed my face again with the setting spray. I think y'all seen me put on the highlight, so I think that's it. But for me to, you know, try to do this makeup look, I think it came out real cute because I don't even do designs and stuff like that. And I tried to do this heart. It's not all the way a heart, but it came out like a heart to me. So yeah, I'm excited to, you know, for people to see this look today at work. Okay, yeah, so I'm excited for people to see this look today at work. Let me put my phone down because the police is everywhere, y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to insert this little clip. I'm gonna see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.
1, 2, 3. Make you feel lucky, lucky.